cockpit. Woo. And now actually nothing is, I don't see nothing because really it's too dark. We have 2 extinguishers. One is here and a second is there. So in case of a flame, we know what to do. Okay. Here is something. There and there and there. Oh, bed sheets. What is here? Other snacks and computer and some things.
Oh, coffee machine.
Oh, there is coffee machine?
Yes.
Really?
And we have a coffee cup.
Oh, cool. Why you didn't bring the parts from the home?
No, we have.
Yeah, you have the mocha also?
No, I don't think so.
Shit.
They already prepared some.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
but I mostly like this TV. This looks like you're gonna lie down here and you can watch the TV from here. Okay. And now we're gonna record you say what he's cutting here. What you are cutting? It's cucumber.
Yeah.
But we don't see it because it's too dark.
I think there is some rice.
I think here. Oh. Yeah, now I see it's cucumber.
Wow. Yes.
You are filming or you are shooting?
I'm recording.
Okay.
Yo, you can see yourself.
Wow. Ahoy, Jakub.
And he is ready.
Hi. You can film all this stuff.
It's me. I'm shooting.
Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, wait. I don't like when people tell me what I'm doing. Then I will fuck it up more.
Really?
Yeah, I need to also.
I can go here.
Either the rapture didn't happen or we're all going to hell. Put your hands over your nose. Try to ignore that burning.
You look like cool. It's a doll. Like raccoon.
Yeah, I guess something like that.
Do you need to open eyes or not?
No. Ah, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I also need to do that. Or maybe I can also see. Maybe they're already playing. Let's see.
Now there is a bit under your shoe. That was Corona.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, your hand, like, put it away, please, so that I can. So you only want white or also some blood? Because I bought extra fake blood for you.
Okay, it's up to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this from the other thing. Looks like just blood everywhere.
It's a gem?
I'm already using it.
Second time, but still.
Can you open it then?
Jesus Christ, it really looks like.
Wanneer Oh, it's recording. Nice.
There are also photos of these.
Photo, okay.
English, because only half an hour ago I heard that I had to do a tour in English, so if there are things that you don't understand, please please ask me, and I will try to clear up the story for you. First of all, welcome to the muiderslot, the castle, also known as the Amsterdam Castle, because over there, the small door in the corner of the shop, that's where the jail, the dungeon, used to be. And the place that we are standing right now is the place where people were interrogated.
No, because it was there also 1 year ago.
Welcome in the main hall, the central hall of the castle. Maybe the most important, but also the most beautiful hall of the castle. This is the central hall, the knight's hall. This is the place where the castle lord made all the important decisions. He controlled the whole area from this point. This is where he did all his administrative works. Are there certain strange things you do, well, believe in, like black cats, Friday the 13th, witchcraft, the supernatural, aliens maybe, I don't know. Intrigued and interested what happened here in the Middle Ages. So the Middle Age stories. And when the famous poet and playwright Peter Cornelius van Gogh lived here in this castle during the 17th century, he was intrigued by the murder of the Count of Floris V, the man who actually built this castle. And he wrote a play about it. Is there someone who dares to read it out loud?
Es wird kalt, der Grund ist ein Programm und der Grund selber aus meinem Ding Examen oder Exproben deze haben. De beroepen van zijn ongetuigde haar, ik zie hem smelten in zijn smaak.
Yeah. He tells his friend, I see the Count. I see Floris V. I see him crawling around these chambers. I see him whining, crying, covered in blood, murdered. He sees the ghost of the Count. And he goes on. Yeah.
Sluiter gekeer naar buiten, hoe de oren buiten te komen. Stom.
Yeah.
Door de nacht, ik hoor hem razen aan de wacht.
Yeah. Outside, he hears Gerard, the murderer, the man who murdered the Count. He hears him yelling outside to the guards, to all the other people here in the castle, while the Count is locked up here in this room. The lines say, it's haunted. It is haunted. The castle is haunted. small town of Muiden actually was a little fishing village. The people who lived there made their money and well, she forgot the time. And at a certain point she found herself caught in the nets of the Muider fishermen. And she asked, please, please, let me go. You don't belong here, I'll give you everything you want. But the fisherman thought, look what we caught, we're going to be rich, we're going to be famous. Let's take her to shore, let's take her into our small town, where everyone can watch her. Maybe we can sell her to some kind of rich nobleman. No one will believe us, we call her a mermaid. And so they did.
Nice. Yeah, you're not the only one.
And Felix is taking picture. It's humor, of course.
Was.
She was real.
Of course.
I'm scared of her.
Evil spirits. And here in the corner, we have a toilet. Middle-aged toilet. It's a small space, but you can fit in. But what if I tell you that during the Middle Ages, the toilets weren't behind a closed door? Yes, the old gatehouse, the place where the defense of the castle would be organized. Maybe this was the place where Machtel looked out for her husband, Gerard van Velzen. It's working again.
Wow.
Save everybody else. Because it's like really impossible.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like really look. Yeah, I will stand here.
Yeah.
What?
No.
Yeah, I've been here like
Leven here or something like this.
okay.
But yeah, now you need reservation anyway. Where is Felix?
Hold on.
Okay,
Darling.
I see his
Yeah, it's good that I can see him.
skeleton. Like, okay. Always the lights.
Can you give me then later when I'm finished with my sushi?
What?
It's funny that she's eating sushi, but her makeup makes this funny.
Hello there, here is proof I'm gonna drink only one Radler. And I can't because I'm finished with driving.
Yeah.